Okay, how's it going out there? You good? All right. Directions say rewrite as a coefficient and a power. They'd like it in this format. A being the coefficient, and then your variable to the power of n, whatever n happens to be. So if I take a look at this particular problem, one thing I'm noticing is that they don't want any denominator in this form. This form does not want a denominator for the variable. So understand that. I am going to kind of do something here to help us out. I have 2 over 3, right? But then x is in the denominator, is it not? So technically, couldn't I write this as a multiplication of 2 fractions? 2 over 3 times 1 over x, doesn't that give me 2 over 3x? Okay. So the 2 over 3 is just a coefficient. Now this x in the denominator, this form doesn't want it in the denominator. This form wants it up in the numerator, which means you are multiplying by x to the -1. You need to remember that if you're taking a variable and bringing it to the numerator, that its power is going to change to a negative, which tells me that was not the original location. The original location was it being in the denominator. So in this particular case, your coefficient is 2/3 and your power is x to the -1. Cool? Okay. I have some examples coming your way. Work on them before you find the answer key video. And I'll catch you on the flip side.